Kennedy cousin Michael Skakel walked out of court today a free man after more than a decade in prison. He was released on $1.2 million bail. Skakel was convicted in the 1975 murder of a neighbor in Connecticut when both were teenagers. But a judge threw out the conviction and granted him a new trial. Troy Roberts of 48 Hours is covering the case.
Relatives and supporters applauded when the judge approved bail. Michael Skakel did not speak to reporters, but his lawyer, Hubert Santos, did.
There were two tragedies that occurred in Greenwich, Connecticut in 1975. The first was, of course, the murder of Martha Moxley. The second great tragedy occurred in a courthouse in Norwalk, Connecticut in 2002 when Michael was convicted of the murder of Martha Moxley, a murder he did not commit.
Skakel was serving 20 years for bludgeoning Martha Moxley with a golf club. A Connecticut judge set aside the conviction last month after Skakel argued his trial attorney, Mickey Sherman, failed to properly defend him. Moxley's mother, Dorothy, and her brother, John.
Yeah, we stand behind the state. We know the state will appeal, and we're confident that Judge Bishop's decision will be overturned.
Skakel is the 53-year-old nephew of Robert F. Kennedy's widow, Ethel Kennedy. His father, Rushton, had made a fortune in the coal business. Martha Moxley lived next door. She was last seen alive going to a Halloween party with a group that included Michael Skakel. The 15-year-old's body was found outside her home the next morning. It took decades for prosecutors to build their case against Skakel. The 2002 trial focused on testimony that Skakel had made incriminating statements over the years. One witness testified Skakel boasted he would get away with murder because he was a Kennedy. At today's hearing, Hubert Santos argued the evidence was circumstantial.
No DNA evidence, Your Honor. No fingerprints. No trace evidence. No eyewitnesses.
Skakel was outfitted with a GPS ankle bracelet, and he is barred from leaving the state of Connecticut without permission. 81-year-old Dorothy Moxley says that she will attend the next trial in a couple of years.
Troy Roberts outside the courthouse in Stamford for us tonight. Troy, thank you very much.